Hi. This is now a video that I am actually filming with my mobile phone because I have technical issues with the camera and the microphone and whatever. So I'm trying to hold this really still because I didn't want to leave it too late to talk to you guys about a topic that I'm being asked a lot. This question I'm being asked a lot, and I know that a lot of people in the spiritual development field have that question, and it relates to, as you can see in the title, it relates to whether or not eating meat can stop our spiritual progress or our interaction with the spiritual world, can kind of hold us back in raising our vibration, that kind of stuff. Because what a lot of people notice and what a lot of people are doing is, once they start becoming more aware of who they really are, a lot of people change their diet to vegetarian or even to vegan. And that's a phenomenon that I have seen too. So the question is, and that was put to me, do I believe or do I get the sense that eating meat will actually or has the potential to hold us back? Now I'm going to give you my perspective. That's just my perspective on this. And that is that I do not get the sense that eating meat will stop your growth or will hold you back, right? Because I also know very good mediums who are very spiritual, who are very much in communication with their higher selves or with the spirit world. And if it was the case that eating meat would hinder that or block it, then they wouldn't be able to do this, and they wouldn't be able to advance like that, like spiritually within themselves, or to develop those certain skills or live them or keep them. So no, I don't think so. That is my perspective on it, right? But there is something about this that I would like to share with you, and you can tell me your thoughts on that too. And that is that once we become more aware of the vibrational world, of the world of frequency and energy, which is the real world and which is who we really are, we become aware of the different energies and frequencies that are around us. And now naturally as well, that we are taking in. So if we consume something, it has a certain vibration. It comes from somewhere. It has certain experiences, let's say. Okay, so whether it is an organic potato, maybe homegrown in your own garden with a lot of your energy and love on it while you looked after it, this is a different frequency than, let's say, the contrast, some animal that was kept inside, that was like born and raised to be killed and to be eaten. And I'm saying this very neutrally, right? But that is a different type of energy. Also, something that has had a more conscious life as such, like an animal, is different to a plant in the vibration. And this is what I feel a lot of people who are becoming more aware of their spiritual selves are noticing, that the vibration or the frequency of what they take in, let's say meat, does not resonate with them anymore. And they just start to maybe develop a dislike, or they become much more conscious. This is actually a dead animal. It had a life, right? And this piece of meat has had experiences, right? Also, animals, they do have emotional responses to different degrees, right? But this, everything that is being experienced emotionally is being experienced physically as well, so shared with the physical body. So the physical body does actually have those emotional traces stored within it. And this is what a lot of people, that's my take on this, what a lot of people feel, sense, realize once they realize their own spiritual nature more and more and more. So they gravitate towards a vegetarian diet, or often it transitions then into a vegan diet because they don't feel the need to consume anything that has come from an animal anymore, and they feel just more at ease, or it feels more natural or better to them. They might also feel like more healthy or healthier or lively or vibrant if they don't consume meat, and if they consume more organic products, more quality rich products, right? But that is not to judge. Now, we all know that if we eat poor quality, whatever it is, like ready meals or poor quality vegetables even, or poor quality meat, it has an impact on us, especially in the long term, right? It causes a lot of diseases within our body because everything interacts with everything. But in terms of the question spiritually is, I'm really sorry guys for this camera thing, but at least we get to talk to each other. So the question spiritually, will or can me eating meat block my channel to the spirit world, to my higher self, the communication, or my progress? I feel no. I don't think it is required of you to become vegetarian or vegan in order to grow spiritually or within yourself. I don't think that is the case. But I can tell you that as you become more aware of you, of yourself, and of your vibrational body, of your energy body, you may change your diet to what resonates more with that. That's my take on it. You can comment, you can share your thoughts on this. And for today, I'm going to love you and leave you. I hope you're going to have a wonderful day, and we'll talk again.